A pleasant day to you, ma'am and sir. I am Jerlyn Ovalde Carriaga, and I live in Malik, Sabela, 26 years of age. I am married to John Lloyd Carriaga. We have already one son. His name is Kiefer Carriaga. I'm the first siblings in our family. I have two sisters and two brothers. My father is already died, and my mother is work abroad also in Qatar. My husband work here in the Philippines. He's a farmer. And yes, madam, I have experience abroad in Saudi Arabia. 2 years, yes, madam, almost 2 years. I worked there, and I am here again to apply as a nanny or caring toddlers, uh, caring bedridden, anything work, anything work I can learn, and I can I can do. Just give me a chance, madam and sir, to work to your family or service to your family, and I will promise, madam, I will give my support and my loyalty, honesty, and especially kindness. Just give me a chance, madam, to work as your nanny again. Thank you, ma'am.